What's up, everybody? This is Al Phillips from A3 Digital Studio, and what you're looking at is the exploding sounds from the Boom X sound effects suite. And what we're going to do is I'm going to allow you to listen to a few of the sounds. They're high quality wave sounds, and they are awesome. And what I want to give you guys an opportunity to hear those sounds, and so that you could judge for yourself and listen to the quality. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that right now. Listen up. Hold on. Some musical sounds right here that I think is awesome. Let's keep it moving. That's a train. It's like a crazy horn sound that and an element of surprise. Awesome guitar sounding music. High quality wave, bass, and synth sound. It sounds like something broke. There you go. This nice Boom X sound effects. Pops, synth noise, bells. We got a lot of music in this track, so I thought that would be good for anybody. We're going to keep it moving. Crazy sounds. Yes. That's the sound of like a projector, an old school projector or camera or something. Yeah, that sounds very cinematic, whipping sound. Bass. Bass. Sound like those nice explosion sounds that give your videos and your podcast that cinematic feel to it. Explosions. Tons of Boom X sound effects suites right there. So there's a lot in here, and there was more than that. And I want you guys to understand, can't play everything, but I want you to know that we definitely have the sound effects. This is just $10. That's it. $10. All of these sound effects is yours, and again, they are free for commercial use. That means that you can use them on any of your products, any of your projects, anything that you put online on YouTube, Facebook, or whatever. These sound effects belongs to you. You could add them into your videos. You could add them into your commercials or whatever. But $10 is not a bad price for these wonderful wave file sound effects that sound so good. Make sure that you're listening to this in earphones, because they are really great sound effects. And so we need for you to go ahead and make your purchase today. Thank you so much. A3digitalstudio.com.